guys. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much for your time, your attention, and your willingness to learn something new. I think this is a magnificent instrument and a little really tricky to learn, let's be honest. And I hope that you are gaining some valuable material from my videos and learning something new. I wish to invite you to my website where you can find even more information about the lessons I teach. Maybe we can get connected. Thank you so much.